Hi, Manuel. How are you? Are you good? After so many years of distance, struggles, and sacrifices, I'm coming finally to your home in Semiliguda with help of IT sir. I'm returning with a heart full of joy and excitement. This Christmas, our home will shine brighter because my presence brings warmth, love, and festive happiness. How is Elizabeth, Pike, and Sarah? Whether they are studying well, don't beat my cute and sweet Sarah. We are both our friends. How is your wife Sasmita Pike? How is her health? How is your job? Daily I'm seeing your achievements from heaven. I'm so happy and proud of my dear Manuel Chandra Pike, taking my family responsibilities and solving the problems. And finally now you are a real, respectful, responsible family man. Don't feel bad. I'm always with your family. Don't feel you're alone when you are feeling alone. Close your eyes and call Papa. I'll be with you forever. Take care of your mother health. My time is over. Bye, my dear son.
ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୋ ହୃଦୟକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି